In a world flooded with information, cutting through the noise with effective email marketing is essential. Let's unlock the power of Brevo to supercharge your campaigns. First things first, you'll need a Brevo account. Simply navigate to Brevo's website and look for the sign-up option. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your details, confirm your email address, and complete the registration process. Once logged in, the heart of Brevo lies in its campaigns section. Click on it, and then select Create a New Campaign. This is where your email magic begins. You'll be presented with intuitive options to design your email. Brevo offers a fantastic selection of pre-designed templates, or you can build your own from scratch using the highly flexible drag-and-drop editor. Add text, images, buttons, customize it to fit your brand perfectly. Now, who are you sending to? Head over to the Contacts tab here. You can import your existing contact lists from a spreadsheet or manually add new subscribers. Brevo also allows you to segment your audience, ensuring your messages reach the right people at the right time. After crafting your message and selecting your audience, it's time to send. Brevo provides powerful tracking tools. Monitor your open rates, click-through rates, and even unsubscribes to understand what resonates with your audience and what needs improvement. By analyzing these insights, you can continually refine your email strategy, optimize your content, and build stronger, more engaged relationships with your subscribers. Brevo empowers you to not just send emails, but to truly connect and convert. Ready to elevate your email marketing? Visit Brevo.com today and start your journey towards more effective and impactful communication.